Atlas V will launch from Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. LC-41 uses a clean pad concept that accommodates the full range of Atlas V common element configurations. The clean pad is supported by 2 facilities and a mobile launch platform. The Common Core booster and Centaur arrive at the Cape by commercial air transport. The flight-ready hardware is received and inspected at the Atlas Space Operations Center, ASOC, located on the base 4 miles from the launch pad. The ASOC also houses all of the control capability for launch processing and countdown. The Atlas V launch vehicle is assembled and tested at the Vertical Integration Facility, VIF. The VIF is a weatherproof structure located 1,800 feet from the pad. The Atlas V is integrated onto and launched from a mobile launch platform, the MLP. The MLP is moved into the VIF for integration, then transports the Atlas V to the pad, where final propellants are loaded and countdown commences. The launch pad, LC-41, is the basis of the clean pad concept. It includes a flame duct, a shelter for the vans, provisions for propellant loading, and a lightning protection system. The booster is towed from the ASOC to the VIF, lifted into the VIF, and lowered onto the launch heads. Pins guide the booster onto the launch heads, and the heads can be adjusted for final alignment of the booster. The Centaur interstage adapters are installed. The Centaur is towed to the VIF, lifted, and mated to the launch vehicle. Spacecraft processing typically includes testing, checkout, weighing and balancing, propellant loading, and ordnance installation. When completed, the spacecraft is mated with the payload adapter and the separation system is installed. Now the spacecraft is ready to be encapsulated in the fairing. The fairing halves are closed around the spacecraft. The spacecraft arrives at the VIF and is lifted onto the launch vehicle. The fairing is lowered into place and bolted down. The Atlas V is now prepared for the move to the pad. Go Atlas! Go Centaur!